Welcome to the tutorial on exporting production data from DrillingInfo to PHDWin. In this lesson, we'll be running a production search in DrillingInfo, exporting our search results, and then importing them into PHDWin for further analysis. Let's begin on the DrillingInfo homepage. Today, we'll be using one of DrillingInfo's one-click searches, which can be found in the DI channel guide. After clicking this tab, select the search for Louisiana Recent Production. So, we have just performed a production search, and the results are displayed in the table view. Now we are ready to export those results for use in third-party applications, specifically PHDWin. Since PHDWin provides production analytics, this export option will only be available for production results. The first step in exporting is to select the results desired for export. If you would like to export all of the results, simply click Check All. Remember, in order to use the export feature, results must be selected. After making selections, click on the Basic Downloads drop-down box. You will see a list of export options. Choose either to export this production as allocated or lease.dri file for PHDWin. You will then be prompted with a series of download screens asking specifically what type of DRI file format you would like to download. Make your selections, then after clicking Download on the final screen, your browser will prompt you to open or save this file. Choose Save, then Save As, and title this file in order to easily identify and locate it in the future. Now you have successfully exported this production information, and it is ready to be imported into PHDWin.
Once you have successfully exported your .dri file from DrillingInfo's website, this video will help you import that data into PHDWin. I will first demonstrate how to import DrillingInfo data into a newly created database, and then how to import data to update an existing database. To begin the import process, open PHDWin, then go to the File menu and select New to create a brand new database. This automatically opens up the Project Properties window, where you can name your project file and choose the rest of the project-wide settings. When everything is set up properly, you can click Save to create the new project. Remember, you can always return to the Project Properties window under the File menu to change your selections. From the top left toolbar, click the Stack of Papers button to bring up the case list in PHDWin. You can see that we have 0 cases in this new database, so now we will import our DrillingInfo file, which contains production data as well as general well information. To do this, click the File menu and select Import Data or Create New Cases. This will bring up the data wizard. First, select the radio button next to Import. Then click the button with the 3 dots to browse for the DrillingInfo file. Once you have selected the file, click Open. In this window, you can select any other default settings you wish and click Next. For a newly created database, this is the last step. PHDWin has written an import layout for this type of file, so it smoothly imports into the newly created database. Upon import, each case is automatically assigned a new ID code labeled DRI ID. This DRI ID will be used in the future to match PHDWin cases to updated DrillingInfo production data. Now that you have an existing database, I will show you how to update the production data. Start by going back into the File menu and select Import Data or Create New Cases. Select the radio button next to Import and click the button with the 3 dots to select the file with the updated production data. then click Next. This opens up the Appending Data window. The DRI ID is used so PHDWin knows which cases to update. If the program cannot find a match, it will prompt you to add a brand new case. If you check this box, PHDWin will use the API code as a secondary identifier. All new data from the import file will always be added into PHDWin. The checkboxes below are used for instances in which there are overlapping data in your import file and the database. Please select any checkboxes for the data you wish to overwrite and click OK. Thank you for viewing the demonstration on how to import DrillingInfo files into PHDWin, and have a great day.